Welcome to our home and kitchen gadget show. Today, we're bringing you 5 amazing kitchen products that will make your cooking experience easier, faster, and more enjoyable. First up is the Vidalia Chop Wizard, which makes chopping vegetables quick and effortless. Next is the Chaihee grease container, perfect for reducing oil waste and keeping your kitchen neat. Then we have the LODlife food warming mat, which keeps your food warm and ready to serve. Our fourth product is the Furnizone glass syrup dispenser set, adding style to serving syrup, honey, or sauces. And finally, the OxyDrilly 2-in-1 oil strainer and deep fryer, allowing you to fry and strain oil at the same time with ease. All product links are in the description below. Check them out and give your kitchen a smart touch. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting gadget reviews. Number 1. Tired of spending ages chopping veggies? Meet the Vidalia Chop Wizard, your new kitchen time saver. Imagine prepping a healthy dinner in just minutes. Simply place your fruit or veggie on the blade grid. Press down, watch as it chops perfectly, every time. Ultra-sharp stainless steel blades handle even tough produce. Hands never touch the blades. Safety comes first. Switch between chopping and dicing with interchangeable blades. The 2-cup base catches everything, doubling as a measuring cup. Cleanup is effortless. Every part is dishwasher-safe. Compact design keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Perfect for meal prep, salads, stir-fries, and salsas. Save time, eat healthier, and enjoy cooking again. Upgrade your kitchen. Get the Vidalia Chop Wizard today. Number 2. Tired of cloudy, unhealthy cooking oil? Meet the Chihee grease container, your kitchen's new must-have. Picture this: Sunday breakfast, crispy bacon, zero mess. Pour hot oil directly into the 2L stainless steel container. The ultra-fine mesh strainer removes every crumb and impurity. Enjoy cleaner, healthier oil for all your favorite dishes. Store, filter, and reuse oil, all in one smart solution. Durable SUS 304 stainless steel means no rust, no stain. Withstands high heat. Use on open flames or induction cookers. Tight lid keeps dust out. Anti-slip tray prevents spills. Drip-free spout and ergonomic handle for easy, safe pouring. Easily disassemble and clean. Dishwasher-safe and odor-free. Perfect for filtering stocks, broths, or homemade sauces too. Upgrade your kitchen. Enjoy organized, healthier cooking today. Try the Chihee grease container and taste the difference. Number 3. Tired of cold food at parties and family dinners? Meet the food warming mat, your secret to perfect meals. Imagine hosting a buffet. Every dish stays deliciously warm. 7 temperature settings. Choose from 104 degrees to 212 degrees. Keep food warm for up to 99 hours, worry-free. Nano silicone material ensures efficient, even heat distribution. Safe, easy-to-clean surface. No mess, no stress. Rapid stereo heat transfer technology heats food fast and evenly. Compatible with metal, ceramic, glass, and enamel tableware. Versatile for daily meals, parties, holidays, and special occasions. Dual safety. Automatic power off after 5 hours for peace of mind. Child lock feature protects your little ones from accidental touches. Foldable design, easy to store, perfect for any kitchen. Transform gatherings, serve every dish at its best temperature. Upgrade your hosting experience, make every meal memorable. Ready to keep food warm and safe? Get yours today! Number 4. Transform your coffee bar with pure elegance and function. Imagine hosting friends, your syrups displayed in embossed glass bottles. No more sticky messes. Pour smoothly with stainless steel spouts. Each bottle features thick, high-quality glass for durability and style. Silicone covers and airtight stoppers keep syrups fresh longer. Easily store 7-O's bottles on shelves, coffee stations, or fridge doors. Included gold teaspoons let you measure and stir with precision. Personalize each bottle. 8 blank labels with elastic ropes included. Golden metal spouts and stoppers add a luxurious touch to your setup. Collapsible funnel makes refilling simple and spill-free every time. Cleaning brush ensures your dispensers stay spotless and ready. Perfect for vanilla, caramel, honey, or chocolate syrups. A thoughtful gift for coffee lovers, entertainers, and home organizers. Upgrade your kitchen with this complete once-for-all syrup dispenser set. Make every coffee moment beautiful, organized, and effortless. Elevate your coffee experience. Order the Furnizone syrup dispenser set today. Number 5. Tired of messy oil and cluttered kitchen counters? Meet the OxyDrilly 2-in-1 oil strainer and deep fryer. Imagine frying crispy bacon, then saving clean oil instantly. The high-density removable strainer filters out food residues fast. Enjoy pure, reusable oil for every meal. No waste, no hassle. Precision eagle mouth spout means drip-free, controlled pouring. Fry, boil, and store, all in one compact portable pot. 304 stainless steel resists corrosion and distributes heat evenly. Heavy-duty build withstands high temperatures for safe cooking. Lightweight 2L capacity fits perfectly in small kitchens. Sleek handle design makes moving and pouring effortless. Stain-resistant surface and smooth interior, cleanup is a breeze. Hand wash or pop it in the dishwasher for easy maintenance. Upgrade your kitchen. Keep oil clean, organized, and ready. Transform your cooking experience with OxyDrilly today. Click now to make your kitchen smarter and cleaner.